Welcome back to So You Want to Learn How to Crochet. My name is Mandy and I want to thank you for watching my videos. And in this video, I am going to be showing you how to make the granny square. I don't know why they call it a granny square, but it is a granny square. So I actually made a smaller one with the lighter yarn, just the beginnings of it. Just made, this one is made actually with the double crochet. Let's go ahead and find the end of my yarn, and we are going to get busy. You're going to start by putting the yarn on your needle, naturally. You're going to chain 6 in this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a stitch I haven't showed you yet, you may already know it, is the slip stitch. And that, you're going to take your needle and you're going to stick it in your very first chain that you made here. Just stick it all the way through, and you're just going to wrap it one time, pull it through both of them, and then there you have a circle. And I just, there at this point, there. Now here you're going to chain 2, and instead of, at this point, instead of going through like we did before in the chain, going through the chain little small holes, we're going to go through this big one here. We're going to double crochet 2 more double crochets, wrapping it, sticking it through this big hole, and make your double crochet. You're going to make 1 more double crochet, and now you have your chain, that was 2, your 2 double crochets, and now you're just going to chain 2. This is going to be your corner, and then you're going to come and back into your circle. Make sure your little tail don't get in the way there. You're going to do 3 double crochets into this circle, just like this. Okay, see, you got 1. Now you're going to chain 2 more, and then you're going to do 3 more double crochets. There, you got your 3 more double crochets, and you're going to chain 2, and you're going to do 3 more double crochets. You're going to see I am going right in to this hole here and pulling it through, doing my double crochet. I do have a video on how to do the double crochet. It's one of the basic stitches that there is out there. So you see I got the 3 there. Now I'm going to chain 2 again. And now this chain here that you did at the very beginning of there, you're going to go to the top of it, and you're going to do a slip stitch again, just sticking your needle through, wrapping it around, pulling it through both of those hoops, both of them. There, so now you see you got that. I'm going to do again. This time you just flip it around. You see you're heading towards the hole there. Chaining 2. Then you're going to do 2 double crochets. And then you're going to, see, chain 2. and three double crochets. I am so sorry. 3 double crochets. Okay, now we've got that right there, 3 double crochets. Now you're going to chain 2 more, and then in this next hole here, that corner, see how it looks? You're going to put 3 double crochets. Let's see if I can move this so you can see what I'm doing here. Alright, there's your 3 double crochets, and now you're going to chain 2. And inside the same hole, as you're making your corner, see, you're going to do 3 more double crochets. There we go. See? Got a little corner. Looks kind of lopsided right now. So now we're going to chain 2. Chain 2. And in this next corner here, you're going to do the same thing you did here and you did here. You're going to do 3 double crochets. Careful that your yarn doesn't get into a knot, you see. Right here, like it almost wants a knot. If it gets like this, don't pull it. Just very gently undo it so that you don't have to cut your yarn. Okay, 3 double crochets inside your big corner hole. It's a good name for it, corner hole. So if you like my videos, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my video, and you'll be notified, or it'll be easier to find my videos on all of the different stitches that I have going on. So here you see I've got my 3, and to make your corner, you're going to do your 2 chains, and then you're going to put in the same hole that you put your these 3 double crochets. You're going to do 3 more double crochets. There we go. See? Still kind of lopsided. After you have 6 double crochets at each corner. Now we're going to do chain 2. See? And in this last one right here, sorry, I had to let the dog back in. So I got my 2 chained, and I'm going into this last hole here, the last corner hole. We're going to put our 3 double crochets, 2, 3, and see? And now we're going to chain 2. We're going to make another corner, and then we're going to put 3 more double crochets in this same hole again. And be careful that, you know, when you're doing this and you get to the last, you got your 6 double crochets inside this corner, or with the 3 divided by 2 chains. If you put another one in here, if you chain 2 and you go back into this hole, your square is going to be lopsided. It's not going to be a square. I mean, you could probably make an afghan like that or whatever. So whatever shape that you're going to make it in. So wherever you want your corners at, but I just want 4 corners right now. So I got this, and we've got I chained 2 right after here, and you see I'm right here, looks like a little mouth, and this is your 2 chains right here, and you're again going to go to the very top chain right here. There you go. And you're going to do your slip stitch again. You're just going to stick your needle through, wrap it around, pull it through, both of them, both. All right, there's no wrapping in between. You're just going to wrap it and pull it all the way through. And there is your granny square. If you make an afghan out of this, your afghan will be square. You can make it any color, multiple colors. These things are really pretty. If you do like a few rows of one color and a few rows of another color, you know, like a rainbow or whatever, I mean, that would be a very beautiful afghan. So I hope you're liking my little videos. I hope you are trying these stitches out if you don't know them. And if you do know them, and this is just a little refresher for you on some of them, because it's been a while since you've done them and you wanted to make sure that you was doing them right, just let me know. Are you a total beginner and just learning these for the first time, or are you wanting a little refresher on some of your stitches? Just leave me a little comment down below and let me know. Whatever projects you're working on right now, let me see them. Let me see how you're progressing with your stitches, or what you're doing. Are you gonna make? Are you making an afghan? Are you brave enough to make a huge afghan like the bedspread I had talked about before that I made? Or you can make a scarf. That's one of the easiest things to make, is a scarf. So just let me know what you're making. Just leave me a little note down below and I'll get back with you. Just remember to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching, and happy crocheting.